He's through that window. Nah, talking to Anthony.
Oh, it was a full out. My bad. Good, man. Good. My bad.
Hip. Coming out. I hate this gun.
How are you shooting, T-Win?
Yeah, I see him. I see. This gun's not working. I hate this fucking thing. No, I don't know.
I think so, because we have the one on their side. So we just need to hold it.
Well, we need to take that side. Like, do they have those burned, or do they have the buildings over there?
There was one guy in there, but he's still there. I just shot him.
Yeah. Moving toward it.
Well, at least I got the one.
Watch the burn building. I don't know if he's dead or not.
Anthony, get out? Oh,
No, Bobo is. Anthony, watch the doorway in front of you. Bobo, watch the doorway you were just in front of. It's now hostile. He's in the doorway right in front of you. And in the burn building.
Next placard, I think.
You want to try getting in this
I've
building?
already got the ones on this side. I think I can.
How close? There's a guy in the burn.
Oh.
Yeah. Is there anybody in this building?
We have Cody in here.
All right, I'm coming in.
Watch out if you want to look around the corner. We have one of them in the burn building. The window out back. We just stay on that spot.
Yeah, I'm about coming up. If my damn gun will work, I don't
You
trust
might want
it.
to use your, what's it called? Yeah. Yeah, your axe.
All right, Bobo, I'm coming in behind you. We'll clear these rooms. Ready?
Get down low.
You all right?
Who we got, Jack?
Anthony's over there. I'm going in the building. Ready? I'm going in the building. Shit. Actually. Hey, I'm just gonna make a run for it. If I die, I'll see you in hell, man. 3, 2. Coming out. I know where they are now. It's recoil shots of BS.
Huh?
I got him, then he shot me. He's like, yeah. I'm like, bullshit. Hit, coming out. Damn it. Son of a bitch. I'm determined to get in that damn building. If we can get in through that other side of that building, we can kill those other guys.
I say we walk up on them.
Dude, all four of us, let's just fucking go. We got unlimited respawns. Ready? All four of us, we're just gonna burst in that fucking building.
Wait, you want me to get behind this, or you want to just go like...
You wanna go to the burn building or you wanna go to this one out over here?
Ready? I don't give a shit.
Oh, hey! Right there.
Check behind us, check behind us. I'm going into that stack up and then
I'm gonna
pull
lay
in.
down fire as soon as you get out
Land
there.
up on that, what if we land up on the spool and the thing?
Not
Guy
now.
to the left and the
I'm going into that, to stack up on that other building. There's a guy,
Me and Clay,
shit, there's a guy at the burn building, never mind.
me and Clay are going for the burn building. You and him go for the side building. Okay. You ready?
I'm just gonna
We're
lay down
going for
fire.
the burn building?
Yeah.
Going to the spool, then you guys
Go.
cover us while we move. 3, 2, 1, go. Hit!
Hit!
Coming out!
Stop running, halfway through.
That is bullshit.
Stop firing when we all came out.
Yeah, well,
That's
no.
what we got to do. He was on the side, so it wasn't a big deal.
All right, we got to figure out something else to do. This is
A team of two. Teams of two. Where's Anthony?
well. Every time I try to get through this building, I get killed. If I go around that side, I get killed too.
You deal with the burn building. Ready? You're with Clay. Stick with him.
I can try, dude. I can't promise anything.
You want to take it with us? All four of us can go in there.
I want to cut through that. No, dude. There's two guys. There's a guy in the burn building, and there's another guy in that other building. That's why we got killed. They had us on two sides.
Well, we can't do that again, because then...
No. I'm not saying go out. I'm saying go through the building.
Hey,
We can, but they got two of them stacked
I
in
know,
that
but there's
first
going
one.
to be four
Too.
of us.
We can. It's up to you. Stack up on the other side.
Stacking up going through. Clay, you want me to take first? It was my idea. Take a bullet before you
Go
will.
for it. There's nobody behind us. One of you come with me. Anthony, come here.
We got two of them. Building that.
This is ridiculous.
what? Hey, if you need ammo for the gun, I got some ammo.
I got some. I got another clip somewhere. And this axe. We got two in that building there. Watch out.
Hit!
Damn. This is not working. can't really get any kind of coverage from this. Grenade, get down! Grenade! We got one in the... Hit, coming out. Damn it.
That man walking over there. Door on the right.
Son of a bitch.
Alright.
Watch out, I think we're getting surrounded.
Stand by.
Safety guys are not coming out.
5 minutes! Hey, we're up like 2 flags on you guys. 5 minutes!
I don't know, dude. Everything's in chaos right now.